Good morning, children. Today we will solve exercise 12.1, problem number 3. Here in problem number 3, given below another question of this exercise. Given below are the pairs of congruent triangles. State the condition of congruence and name the congruent triangles in each case. So first of all, part first given that this type of figure. This type of figure given that a concave quadrilateral given that point B, C, A, okay, and also B join A. Now you can see that AB is common side both the triangle ADB and ACB. So here you can see in this concave quadrilateral triangle that side AC is equal to side AD and side BD is equal to side BC, okay, and AB is equal to AB. So from here in this problem we see that AB is equal to AB and side AC is equal to side AD, and also given that BC is equal to BC. BC is equal to BD. Sorry, BC is equal to BD given that. So here the congruency rule follow S, side and side congruency will follow this type of figure. Again, in part B also given that such type of figure. This type of figure given that in which this is A, B, this point O where intersect line AC on AD, and also given that this is 3.1 centimeter. And this is also given that 3.1 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter, and also this given that 4.5 centimeter, okay, and here this angle be 80 degree and also here this angle be 80 degree. So here you can see that side AB is equal to side CD, and also here you can see that side BO is equal to side DO, okay, and angle ABO is equal to angle CDO, okay. So from here you can see that here congruency side angle. So here follow the rule SAS congruency rule in this type of figure, okay. Again, in figure C, D, E, you have to also solve this, and this is easy problem. Again, given that problem number 4. In problem number 4, given that in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. Here also you have given that a triangle. This type of triangle given that. This point B, this A, and this point will C, and this will be B. This side is equal to this side. That means to side BC is equal to side AB, and here also given that side AD is equal to side CD. So first of all, you have to draw a line AD, sorry, AD. Now you can see that here this line BD part this figure in two triangles, two same triangles BAD and BCD. Okay. Again here we have to prove that, and also given that in problem AD is equal to CD. AD is equal to given that CD. And also we have to prove that angle BAD is congruous to angle BCD. This angle is congruous to this angle. Okay. So first of all we have to prove that both the triangle are congruent. So here you can see that this line BD is equal to BD, and this line also divide this figure into triangle, into same triangle BCD and BAD, and in triangle BAD and BCD you can see also that AB is equal to BC. Okay. And also you can see that if here point O, then AO is equal to OC, and also BO is equal to BO. So here also follow the side congruency rule, and if we take in two figure BAO BAD, then also you can see that, and also here two triangle also here form which is above the line AC BAC, and which is below the line AC ABC. Two triangles also form. Okay. So from here we can see that AB is equal to BC, and also AO is equal to CO, and also from here OB is equal to OB. Okay. Here given that is the common in triangle ABC. Okay. And also below given that, so here you can see that in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD you can see that BD is equal to BD for both the triangle ABD and also ACD. Okay. And triangle BCD. Okay. BD is equal to BD, and also you can see here AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC given that, and here you can see AD is equal to CD. AD is equal to CD. So also you can follow the congruency rule, side congruency rule. Okay. Side congruency rule. These two figures are also, or these two triangles are also congruent, and then you can say that due to causes of same side, this triangle BAD is also congruent to angle BCD. Here angle BAD also congruent to angle BCD. Okay. So you have to prove this, and this is the required solution of this problem. Again, another question of this exercise given that problem number 5 in the adjacent figure PQ is equal to PR given that, and MQ is equal to MR. Prove that angle PQM is equal to angle PRM. Here in problem number 5, this type of figure given that this type of figure given that, and here P, M, Q, and this is R. this given that. So you have to prove angle PQM is equal to angle PIM. So first of all, we draw dot P to M, a line segment. Okay. So this PM divide into triangle. Okay. Also this figure into triangle. Thus a triangle PQM and also a triangle PRM. And triangle PRM, and both triangle you can see that PM is equal to PM, that is the common side. PM is equal to PM, that is the common side, and again PQ is equal to PR, and also you can see that MQ is equal to MR. So by this, if MQ is equal to MR from this, and also you can see PQ is equal to PR from second and third, you can say that angle PQM is equal to angle PRM. Angle PQM is equal to angle PRM. This is the required solution of this problem. Again, here in problem number 6, given that in the adjacent figure D is the midpoint of BC, DP perpendicular AB and DQ perpendicular AC, and DP is equal to DQ, then prove that angle B is equal to angle C. So you have to also prove this because this is a easy problem. And 7, 8, 9 also you have to solve this. Here 8 and 9 is the easy problem. Here 7 given that problem number 7. In problem number 7 you have given that ABCD is a rectangle. X and Y are points on sides AD and BC respectively such that AY is equal to BX, so that BY is equal to AX and angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. So first of all you have to prove that triangle ABX and triangle ABY are congruent triangles, and again then you have to also prove that angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. So now time is over, and we solve these next problems next day. Thank you children. We stop our writing. Thank you.